Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Custom Fonts feature. This powerful tool lets you upload and use your own typefaces directly in Elementor, giving you complete control over your site's typography. Build consistent, brand-focused designs without relying on default or Google fonts. Ready to explore? Let's get started. To get started, sign into your WordPress dashboard and look to the left-hand menu. Hover over Element Pack Pro and select Custom Fonts. This will take you to the Custom Fonts dashboard where you can manage and upload your own typefaces. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option to add a new font. Click it to open the Font Creation panel and begin setting up your custom typography. Start by giving your font a clear and recognizable title. For this example, we'll name it Face Your Fears. Naming your fonts correctly makes them easier to identify later inside the Elementor editor, especially if you plan to use multiple custom fonts across your site. After adding the title, you can define the font variations by choosing the appropriate font weight and font style. These options ensure your font behaves correctly across different text elements. Next, upload your font file. The most recommended format is WOFF2 because it delivers excellent performance, faster loading times, and broad browser compatibility. That said, other popular formats such as WOFF, TTF, OTF, EOT, and SVG are also supported, giving you flexibility depending on the files you have available. In this case, we'll upload a TTF file. Once the file is selected, upload it and publish the font so it's available throughout your site. After publishing, open the Elementor editor and choose any text-based widget. For demonstration purposes, select the Advanced Heading widget. In the Style tab, navigate to the subheading settings and open the typography options. In the Font Family field, begin typing the name of your custom font. You'll see it appear instantly in the drop-down list. Select it and adjust the remaining typography settings to match your design needs. Repeat the same process for the main heading section by opening its typography settings and applying the same font. Once you're satisfied with the customization, publish your page and preview it on the front end. You'll see your custom font applied seamlessly, giving your design a unique and professional look. This smooth workflow makes it easy to maintain consistent branding and creative freedom across your entire website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.